Hi everybody! We got to the mobile food pantry today. We chance took in the van, even though it doesn't have a sticker still. And because nobody has stickers. We've called like 50 million places around here and nobody has stickers. So we're waiting on somebody to get stickers in. Probably the first of the month, hopefully. And it is having shifting problems and needs some kind of transmission sensor replaced. But I guess if you cycle the key, it comes out of it for a little bit. So that we did that and it worked. So until we get the transmission sensor thing in, that's what we got to do. But it's only a temporary fix. So we made it to the food pantry anyway. Didn't get a huge amount of stuff, but great stuff. I got 2 Caesar salad kits. One of them's gonna be my lunch. We got 2 Italian breads. And then Thomas croissant bread. I don't think I've ever seen that before, but it sounded really good, so I grabbed it. And 2 honey wheat English muffins. And 2 bags of nectarines. I don't know what I'm going to do with these ones, but I'm going to do something. Tomatoes to go in my salad. Bok choy, I'm going to stir fry those babies up. Oh, yummy, with a little bit of soy sauce. Yum, yum, yum. Actually, amino acids. I use the amino acids. Love the amino acids. They have a deeper flavor than the soy sauce. I don't know, love them. Not so salty flavor. They do have less sodium than soy sauce, but I just like them. And some butternut squashes because we need to make corn chowder. Greg's so excited about that. It is that time of year for corn chowder. So, but that's my food pantry haul. And if you haven't tried my corn chowder, you gotta try my corn chowder. Oh my goodness. You will never go back to the regular corn chowder. I'm telling you. All you gotta do, search my videos. It's right there. And oh my goodness, you will love it. And it is so healthy. It doesn't have heavy cream. Doesn't have butter. The only thing really bad about it, I guess, per se, could be the chicken bouillon that I use. Because, of course, that has sodium. But you can use the lower sodium one. And if that's the worst it has, it's a base of butternut squash. And it is so good. If your kids don't like butternut squash, don't tell them it's in there. Just call it corn soup like we used to. My kids now know that the butternut squash is in there, but they eat it just fine. This is the corn chowder they're used to. They love it. It's thick and it's creamy with that with that squash base. You gotta check it out. It is so, so, so good. Greg's thoroughly excited that I'm going to be making a corn chowder. It's his favorite. But yeah, I want to try that croissant bread. Let's see, yesterday, what did I do? Yesterday, I made homemade burritos for the first time ever. Eventually, I will make them for you guys on a video, but I wanted to try them out myself to see how they came out. You know, the canned beef that you get from the food pantry or whatever. I didn't know what to do with that all the time. So, I used that and mixed it with the refried beans that I got. 2 cans of refried beans to one of the bigger cans of beef. I thought was great. And you mix all those together, warm it up, add some taco seasoning to it. I did 2 packets because we like heavily flavored taco flavored stuff. So 2 packets, and then I wrapped it in a tortilla and I got them all frozen in my freezer ready to go. I did homemade breakfast burritos yesterday. So with all the burritos, we had those for supper. That's what we had. And Greg said they were really good. And Emma's going to try the breakfast ones soon. I am not trying the breakfast ones because they have eggs, but I'm going to make me some with sausage, canned potatoes, and cheese. Or regular potatoes if I ever get around to getting some. It's just not something I usually remember to get because I usually get them from the food pantry. But I have canned potatoes, so I'm going to put those in there with some sauces and some cheese, and that'll be my breakfast burrito. That's how I like them. So yeah, That's what I did yesterday. And today I'm gonna do up the rest of this stuff. But that's my food pantry haul for today. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I will update you more as the Van saga keeps continuing. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a super wonderful, fantastic day. Like, subscribe, and share the heck out of my videos. Get some new people interested. And we'll see you on the next one.